So what is additive manufacturing or 3D printing? So the ASTM, which is an international standards organization, defines it as the process of joining materials to make objects from a 3D model that you would have designed. And this is usually done on a layer upon layer fashion. And this is in contrast to your subtractive methodologies where you're actually removing material. With additive manufacturing or 3D printing, we actually start off with nothing and we build what we want layer by layer until we get that final object or component, whatever it may be that you build it. So you start off with designing the component that you want, whether an aeroplane wing or bones or a jawbone, hip joints, whatever it may be that you want to print. And so you'd have your CAD model, you call it a CAD model, and you'd actually just transfer that design onto your machine software. And what the machine software then does is it takes that model and slices it up to different layers, or a certain amount of layers depending on the layer thickness that you'd like. From there then the machine would print out whatever, those slices. When you're talking layer by layer, it's actually printing those slices from your CAD model. And at the end you have something that's used. But now 3D printing involves quite a lot of materials and has a wide variety of applications as well. So you can use polymers to build stuff, you can use plastics, you can use resins, you can use metal, which is what we use. Now the advantage of 3D printing is mostly now looking at giving you the complex geometries that you wouldn't otherwise be able to manufacture with your conventional methods. Also, you actually can print some things quite faster than you would, let's say, if you had to have a mold or do casting or whatever it may be. As well as I showed on the first, on a couple of slides ago, we have a lot of waste in commercially manufacturing systems, and here we have less waste, and that can obviously translate to a lot of cost savings.